It is shaping up to be a major diplomatic shift. For the first time in 6 years, Prime Minister Narendra Modi may skip the upcoming G7 summit in Alberta, Canada, scheduled from June 15 to 17. No formal invite has been sent from Ottawa yet, and even if it comes late, New Delhi is unlikely to respond with a yes. Canada, according to media reports, has extended invitations to leaders from Australia, Ukraine, South Africa, and Brazil, but India is noticeably absent from the list. The Indian side is reportedly weighing several concerns, from logistical hurdles and strained diplomatic ties to fears of possible protests by Khalistan separatists that could turn disruptive. A Modi-Carney meeting on the sidelines could have helped ease tensions, but the window for that now seems closed. Adding fuel to the fire, 6 separatist groups in Canada had openly demanded that PM Modi not be invited, linking it to India's alleged non-cooperation in the Hardeep Singh Nijjar case, a claim India has consistently rejected. The war of words that followed saw both countries expel diplomats, further worsening relations. Mark Carney, Canada's new Prime Minister, has not directly addressed the Nijjar controversy but has spoken of using trade as a pathway to mend ties. India, for its part, has said it's open to re-engagement but only on the basis of mutual respect, trust, and decisive action against anti-India extremism. If Modi skips this summit, his first absence since 2019, it could send a clear signal: the India-Canada chill is far from over.